morning! Happy birthday, my friend! Angie Angday. Wish you all the best. Thank you at naging friend kita. Mabait ka, maganda, at super haba ng pasensya kahit kinukulit ka, binubuli ka, and one of your buzzer sa pagbablog mo. Laging namumuna. Thank you at naging friend kita. I love you. God bless you every day. Thanks. Sana maging manatili ang ating pagiging friendship. Love you.
Angie, happy birthday. Wish you good health, more wealth. Love you, girl.